Welcome to the simple neuroscience of dyslexia. Reading is nothing more than being a code breaker for language. Typical learners' brains make a cheat sheet of all the code that is known so that it can be pulled out when faced with letters that need to be interpreted. For people with dyslexia, they have to break two codes every time they need to read. First, they need to break the code of their own personal cheat sheet, and then use that to decode the text. But what about different languages? Well, one thing we know, English speakers have it really hard. English-speaking countries have some of the highest rates of dyslexia, mostly due to the language itself. In English, there are 44 phonemes, or different sounds, that can be made with 280 different spelling combinations. For instance, let's look at the oo sound. This sound can actually be spelled 10 different ways, such as moon and screw, blue and flute, shoe and through, fruit and who, croup and maneuver. All different ways to spell the exact same oo sound. This doesn't exactly make it easy for English speakers to translate written text into phonemes or different spoken sounds.
In Mandarin, we run into another issue of not having a phonological alphabet. So Mandarin dyslexia is not only a phonological processing issue, but also a visuospatial processing issue. People that are bilingual can also have dyslexia in one language, but not the other. Reading is predominantly related to an area of the left fusiform gyrus called the visual word form area that is developed with experience. There is also communication along the arcuate fasciculus of the longitudinal fasciculus, which is a white matter tract that connects the areas responsible for understanding and producing language, connecting language regions to higher processing areas. People with dyslexia have a decreased activation in the word processing areas, which means that their brains are less sensitive to language. This also means that written language isn't processed as automatically as it is in neurotypical individuals.
Thank you for watching.